Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to fix login or password is invalid error on Discord. And we can do two things for this. Alright, the first step is if we go to login and write something down that is not correct, and we click here on login, click on confirm, you will see here the login or password is invalid. Now, the first thing that we can do is if you throw this app away and we search for passwords, do your Face ID, click on all, and then search here for Discord. Now, sometimes it's standing here in passwords, and then you click here on the Discord app, and then in the Discord password saver, you can find your code or maybe your email address. Now, right now, I didn't save that. So what we need to do is the next step. All right, we go back to Discord. We write down our email address or phone number, so we will do that. And then after this, when you fill that in, we click here on forget passwords. Right now it says we sent instruction to change your password to tommyflex@outlook.com. So right now, if I'm going to my Outlook and I refresh this page, oh, it's not in junk, it's in the inbox. We can reset our password by just clicking here on reset password, and then we can reset our Discord password, and then everything will work fine again. So this is exactly how this works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.